Hi guys, welcome to my videos. So guys, today in this video we are going to watch how to apply an e-visa, or in other terms an online tourist visa you can say, to travel to the Kingdom of Bahrain. Before I proceed further, if you have not already subscribed to my channel, please go subscribe right now. And also I would like to clarify, neither I am an immigration consultant nor I am a government body. So if you take anything out of this video, you do it at your own risk. So guys, nowadays more and more countries are migrating to e-visa because of the ease in application and the way it is being followed, where you can do it at any time, and it also boosts tourism. So guys, in front of you, I have opened the official e-visa site of Manama Kingdom of Bahrain. All right. So you see the under visa services, I have link apply for a visa, check visa eligibility, check visa status, data correction, etc., pay for application and login, etc. All right. So let's check eligibility first. So this is the pop-up that comes up. Do you have current valid residence permit or visit visa for GCC country? I selected no. Purpose of your visit, let's say you want to do general visit. Detail purpose, let's say you want to do tourism. You need to do as per your case. Nationality as shown in your passport. Let's say you are an Indian national. Based on now your nationality is going to show options, so make sure you make it correct. Click on next. So now there are two, it is telling you that you can apply two kinds of visa. One is on online that we also call e-visa, and second is on arrival. So on arrival, you can do this like uh, arrival counter. You can apply for this like 2 week single entry visa or 3 months multiple entry visas, or you can also apply online. So if I have to go anywhere, I'll definitely apply like in advance. I don't wanna go to the arrival counter and wait there, but it's up to you. So it has also given you the link. So like three kinds of visa you can apply: 2 week single entry, 3 months multiple entry, and 1 year multiple entry you can apply online. So let's say you're going for a very short trip of 2 weeks, then you can click on here. So it has disclaimer, everything once you accept. Now it is taking you to the form. So first passport number, make sure you do it as per your case. I'm just going to say, of course, I won't be submitting this application. And make sure you don't make any mistake. A lot of people do mistakes and later they struggle a lot in order to get it fixed. So better be patient, verify everything that you do, and then only you submit so that you avoid any last minute issues. Family name. Can I go to the next stage? No, it is asking for all three. Okay, I'll fill all three and then we'll go to next step. Or do I need to do exact? Let me see. But it may send a code, right? I don't know. So I will see you later. So now, what happens like after you go there, I mean, after you fill the details and click on next, it asks you to verify. Once you verify, it comes to this page where you have to upload your relevant documents: passport, return air ticket, hotel booking, bank statement, and optional document if you want to upload something. Then you click on next, and then it asks you to pay the fee, and from there processing starts. Of course, I'm not going to do that, but I was able to give you an idea. And you can see the size is 2 MB and supported file types are this. So make sure you do that. So with this method, you can apply, you can pay the fee, and if it is granted, hopefully it is granted, and then you can take it up from there. So thanks for watching.